Good evening everybody, how are you? How are you all doing? So basically I'm doing this video today to talk about something really important when it comes to the hair system, which is how long the hair system lasts, or the life of the hair system. Well, to answer this question, it all depends of where you're getting your hair system from. I got mine from Hair for All, who provide a really good quality hair system and really affordable prices. I've been wearing this hair system for 8 months now. I've been on like 2 holidays. I do swim quite a lot. I go to the gym like 4 or 5 times a week. I do play football and it still looks good as gold. I believe the hair system from Hair for All lasts between year and a half, year and 8 months, something like that. It all depends of where you're getting your hair system from. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you do have any question about the hair system, send me an email on the email down below, and see you soon guys. Ta-ra.